Introducing the 2008 Nissan Altima. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, low tire pressure warning, independent suspension. Call today to schedule a test drive.